And it's now time for the business day. Electric car manufacturing giants BYD revealed it earned just under $14 billion in 2024, making that period its best ever. The company says it is looking to continue that strong financial performance by expanding its reach in places like Jamaica. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
BYD's leadership took me, along with other journalists, on a tour of their high-tech production base in Henan, China on Wednesday. Currently, 30,000 people are employed at the plant, but the facility remains predominantly robot-driven. BYD says everything on their cars can be made at this plant except the tires, mirrors, and windshield. The company refused to show the world parts of its assembly line as it seeks to protect its production methods in an increasingly competitive market. But they were very happy to reveal that the state-of-the-art facility now has the capacity to produce up to 3,000 vehicles daily. And that number includes a new SUV model that the company hopes will wow buyers in markets like Jamaica, especially given the terrain.
I asked the leadership of BYD about the concerns among potential buyers of their motor vehicles about their access to repair parts for their motor vehicles, and they said they will continue to promote the after-sales services for the repair of vehicles as a potential solution to that problem.
BYD says it is also moving decisively to make a bigger mark on the Jamaican market in the coming months. The company launched its operations in Jamaica in 2023, meaning it now has its operation in well over 50 countries.
Reporting from the manufacturing belt in Henan province in China, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.
The Producer Price Index PPI for Jamaica's mining and quarrying industry recorded a 0.5% increase for March 2025. It was driven mainly by higher prices in the bauxite, mining and alumina processing segment. Data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin show the index for bauxite mining and alumina processing rose 0.4%. The other mining and quarrying category saw a more notable increase of 1.6% during the month. Meanwhile, the manufacturing industry experienced a 0.6% decline, largely due to a 5.0% drop in the index for refined petroleum products. It reflects ongoing volatility in global oil prices. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,068 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 19 points. 43 stocks advanced, including Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, JPS 7% preference shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, Cygnus Credit Investments 10% preference shares, and ISP Finance Services. The 47 stocks which declined were led by Epley Caribbean Property Fund, General Accident, Consolidated Bakeries, Sagicor Real Estate Fund X Fund, and King Tire Holdings. 21 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar selling for an average $158.92. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115. The pound is going for $210.79, while the euro is selling for an average $180.41. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.